bringing it.
Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I am here with an amazing method to make a rope in Illustrator. So let's come to the screen. I am on the screen of Illustrator. Simply we have to make a rectangle. Then we have to select two edges, top right edge and bottom left edge. So take your direct selection tool and select top right edge and hold the shift key and select bottom right. Now simply drag the mouse over it like this. Then after, choose the stroke to around 5 points. Now hold the shift key and rotate it around 45 degree. Just click anywhere on the screen to deselect it. Now take your pencil tool and just make some lines. Like this. So we have to simply choose these 4 lines. Select the object, hold the shift key and deselect the main object. Now go to the stroke, simply choose the cap to round cap and profile to triangle. Now make it large a bit. Then after, choose the main object and fill it with something around gray. Yeah, like this. And then after, select the whole object, go to the object, path, outline stroke. Now bring your swatches panel, make it large and select the whole object and drag it simply here. Remember one thing, we use swatches panel to fill any shape. Just see an example. I make a rectangle and simply click on the new pattern. You see, our pattern fills the object. So remember this thing. I'm deleting the shape. Now then after, we have to make, simply double click on the our pattern and decrease the width till our objects overlapping the lines, something like this, and close it, and done. Now simply drag it to our skin. You can see a square shape. Now we have to remove the areas outside the square. So simply take your shape builder tool, hold the Alt key and drag it over the areas you have to remove. Like this. Now make a little bit small and bring your brushes panel. Make sure you have select the object. Simply click on the plus icon and use pattern brush. Hit OK. You see a dialog box opens. Now you have to choose the method to tint. It helps you to change the color of the rope. So hit OK. Now close the brushes panel and place it at corner and delete it. Now make any shape and select the shape. Go to the brushes panel and select the pattern. You can see our rope is ready. Now to change the color, simply this is why we choose the tint. So if you like this trick, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.